Hello students, welcome to Services classes. Today we will be solving the JNU School of International Studies MA Economics question paper of year 2016. Today we will be solving question number 4. In question number 4 we want to construct a box with square base and we have only 6 meters square of material to be used in the construction of the box. Now if we assume that all the materials are used in the construction process, then what is the maximum volume of the box? Maximum volume that the box can have. The options are 1 meter cube, 2 meter cube, 3 meter cube and 4 meter cube. Now let side length of square base be a meter. So that will imply that the total surface area of the box will be equal to 6 of a square, and that is, if we use all the material, that will be equal to 6 meter square. So that will imply that a is equal to 1 meter. In that case, the volume will be given by a cube, which will be equal to 1 meter whole cube, that will be equal to 1 meter cube, and which is the option A. So today we have solved question number 4 from the JNU SIS MA Economics question paper of year 2016. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Services classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.